Hi, welcome back to another episode of NC Hammer Crypto. I apologize for the previous video. Apparently I didn't record my voice over it, so I'll kind of re-explain what I talked about yesterday. We did see the push up along the length of the diamond pattern from the other day. I sold and re-entered and then sold at this peak as we started seeing a declining trend line. It did sell off below that, came back, retouched. It did hold over the 200 EMA for a little bit. However, we are testing downwards. I believe we could retouch back down around 0.027, possibly even a little lower, around 0.023. As for Spell token, we did not enter as we had seen that there was a double top pattern right at this top of the line. Right in here, we can see that it touched once, came back, touched a second time, rejected, and now is below the upward trend line. We did have a stronger trend line right here from a previous touch along right here and right here. And then the next trend line is this long one across the bottom. I believe we will even see this break down lower. I would avoid Spell for the moment. XYO is still trading within its wedge pattern. If we do see a break above this, higher than this would be nice. It does have some nice potential coming. ABT, I was looking at it the other day. I talked about it, however, the recording did not go through. We do still have the wedge pattern holding support on the bottom line, as well as rejection on the top line. It did touch previously around 0.618, and we have this downward trend line from the previous, I believe, days. We can kind of see way back here, starting from the top, dropping down. It did cross over that for a small second, however, it is still underneath that. I believe once we break that line, we will see a massive push upward. However, right now it is still kind of stagnant. I would be looking at XCN where it's going to stop. You could probably scalp a good 5 to 10% somewhere in here. LCX still not really doing much, but when that breaks, we will see a nice high. The other one, XRP. XRP is more of a dollar cost averaging at the moment. If you believe in it, I believe it will go up, but it's not a whole bunch of movement. There are movements within other coins. The main reason I keep bringing up XCN is that XCN on the 8th or February 3rd, we see that there is a major update for the white papers of XCN. Could be beneficial. Sometimes we do see the market drop massively when some new news comes out, but it just makes it a better buying opportunity. That's kind of it for the video. I do always recommend using Mexc as your trading platform. They do have the lowest fees. I will leave the link in a reference code below in this video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you on